Hi everyone, welcome to Edu Plus Divine Channel. Spoken English la part 2. Inniki regular and irregular forms of verbs. Okay, let's see. Regular and irregular. What do you mean by regular? Regular irukku. That is regular irukkanum enna correct. The ed form sethi. For example, kill, killed, killed. Look, looked. Worked. This just you add this ed. This is present form. You just add ed. Then other past participle form also add ed. So there is no change in between the letters. Kill, look, work, climb, jump, fresh. This is called regular forms of verb. Now, what do you mean by irregular form? That we will see now. Infinitive. What is infinitive verb? If you add plus 2 plus verb is called infinitive verb. That means, for example, to land படிப்பதற்கு, to sing பாடுவதற்கு, to write எழுதுவதற்கு, to read படிப்பதற்கு, to see பார்ப்பதற்கு. So, எந்த verb முன்னாலேயும் you put to, to, that is infinitive அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So, this is basic form of verb. To be is a form, to be form verb. To be வந்தா third person singular past tense. No, third person singular present tense will come. Here the present tense will come. Present form. This is present form. Is. Be is. Past form was. Okay. Then singular perfect form being. Okay. To be, is, was, being. We will see that how it comes. See one by one. Infinitive basic to be, singular present is. That is he, she, it is, like. Then that one third person singular past tense is for is was past tense, and singular perfect form will come. That is being, B-E-E-N form. So what do you mean by to be form? To be form, that means to be form works. What form? Am, is, or, was, were. This and all helping verb form. I we use I, he, she, it. That means is and was. But all alone, you and they and we. This is are. This is are. So, he, she, it is and was, were. I only for am. Okay, that is called to be form of verb. Now, becomes in present tense, past tense became, and again become is a third person singular perfect tense. So you should study and thorough in this. Then the structure form sentence will be easy to you. That's what I'm saying. And break, breaks, broke, broken. Catch, catches, caught, cut. Choose, chooses, chose, chosen. Drive, drives, drove, driven. Fly, flies, flew, flown. Get, gets, got, gotten. Have, has, had, have. Make, makes, made, made. Say, says, said, said. Know, knows, knew, known. Take, takes, took, taken. Now, you understand why I put here fly, so that I put IES. Teenia, yes, because if it is a he, she comes here, what will come? So that third person singular, so that it comes he, she, it, or other name, any names. We should add like this. So that only we add as here VE, so that ES. Choose, chooses. H, so ES. You understand this? Here and all only S. S, 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 S. Here we see make, only S. Save, only S. No, only S. Take, only S. These are the things you should understand. This is the third form, singular, so that we add S. Then this is the just a fast form, so that we add full everything. It is how you say irregular forms, because irregular form means inside verb, inside consonant is changed. No, new. Take, took. See, fly, flew. Dry, drove. Breathe, broke. Understand this? So that these are things irregular forms. Clear now? This irregular forms, singular perfect. If it comes singular perfect, you have to change was be, we can become broke, broken. See here and all, sticker of broken, chosen, driven, flown, gotten. These are the things irregular form. So you should study it. Make, makes, made, made. Hereafter we will see how the sentences or structure of these sentences, these form of verbs, how we join the sentences. Upcoming videos we will see how to structure sentences with this form. Okay? I hope you understand well. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe.